afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning, however you may be joining us. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Exploring Yeti. We are here doing another room tour, and we're here in Atlanta. That's right, we're here again on another business trip. This is the Hyatt Place Atlanta Airport-North. So this is just north of the airport here in Atlanta. We booked a king bed. So this is a king bed with the sofa sleeper, TV included and all. So this was actually relatively cheap for it being a Hyatt. Once you walk into the door here, you're gonna have your seating area. As you can see, my bags are still here. I walked in, like literally walked in, and I was like, okay, let me get this room tour done. Your boy is hungry and ready to go find some food after that long flight. All right, so seating area here, you got a nice long couch right over here. A little place over there you can sit and watch some TV right in the corner. I like those little spots over there. A little, not really coffee table, but kind of an ottoman. You can probably place some food items there and sit and watch your TV. And this is gonna be a 42-inch TV here. Not too small, not huge, but you know, it's enough. It's enough. We're only here one night, you guys, so we're gonna make the best out of it. All right, so also over here, got a little remote here, and you got your ice bucket, two little glasses here, a nice cool lamp, and then also on this wall, you're gonna have your thermostat controls. A nice little design there. This is also a sofa sleeper here. So right underneath there, you're gonna have your pull-out sofa underneath there. That's just on one side. Nothing on this side though, you guys. No little sofa sleeper. Wouldn't that be cool though to have, like, you can pull this one out? Never mind. Okay, so let's move on to like kind of a kitchenette area over here. They did provide us with a microwave right here. A nice little coffee pot for some drip coffee. Whoop. Let's put that back up there. I'm gonna leave that alone. So a little brewing station here. They gave us a couple of teas. These are decaf teas. My goodness. We're gonna work with that. Or we also have some Earl Grey here. They gave us a couple more coffees here, a couple packets for preparing your coffee, and some coffee cups, and a microwave. If you go get food and bring it back, there's a Waffle House right around the corner. So if you go over to Waffle House and bring back some food, you can always bring it back and heat it up. Right down here, you're gonna have a fridge, and there's a nice and cold. There's already some ice forming in there. So I have a water that I got at the airport leaving San Diego. I'm gonna put that water right in there so it's nice and cold. Nothing underneath here. And you're gonna have a small little sink right here. All right, and right next to that, a nice full-length mirror. Hello, hello, welcome. And next to that is gonna be your desk right here. So as you can see, my bag is still over here. Like I said, I placed my bag down and I was like, okay, let me get this done. Let's go to work. Let's go to work, Yeti. With the little chair here. I like this lamp, actually. I wouldn't mind having this lamp inside my office. It's a pretty cool lamp. And you're gonna have a outlet over here with two outlets, a USB-C and a USB-A right here. I like that. Nice little touch there. All right, and that's the desk area over here. All right, so moving back out, again, the living area is here. The living room area, seating area. Oh, I didn't mention this thing here. A nice little, I mean, this could be a nightstand or just like a drawer, but kind of out of place though. It's all right. All right, and I mentioned the TV here, so we're gonna move on to the bathroom area. All right, and I like the lighting in here. This is gonna be great tomorrow when I'm getting ready for, well, for business. But, hello again. Nice little mirror here. Got the lighting on the sides here and some tissue there. A couple of towels right here. Looks like decent water pressure. Okay. And then right next to that is going to be a luggage rack right over here. You have an ironing board, a laundry bag, and if you want to call in some laundry or drop off some laundry, you have that all provided for you. So ironing board there, hangers, plenty of hangers. Take those right off the bar there. Any hangers. And we also have an iron right up here. We have extra pillow and some extra linens. That's probably gonna be for the pull-out bed over there. And a trash can right down here. They also provided you with a hair dryer right down here. And this. All right, moving on to the bathroom and shower area. All right, I have not walked in here yet, so crossing that threshold, here we are. A nice fully enclosed shower. All right, and we have their brand here of shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. All right, no shower handle, unfortunately. So we can't get all of our bits and bobs, but that's okay. We will do our best. And a nice little area there to put your leg up for shaving, or if you just want to Captain Morgan it up, you can always put your leg up there, pretend like you're a pirate on the 7 seas. And that's going to be the shower area. Of course, again, you have your toilet here. Looks like it has nope, it's just one flush function, not 2 flushes. Okay. So moving out of the bathroom area, that is the bathroom, you guys. Simple, simple, simple. Oh, we got a couple more towels up there, a couple towels, and then 1 towel to put down here as you walk out of the shower, so you don't get everything soaking wet. And now we move on to the bed. This is going to be a king size bed today. It's just me here, so that is more than enough for me. It's plenty. My lovely wife could not join me on this business trip, unfortunately. Hopefully in future, she'll be able to join me in more business trips. But on this side, which is usually my side, you're gonna have your phone right here. You can call down the front desk, or they can call it up to you and say, hey, your Uber Eats is here, and you can go down and get it. You have a alarm clock right here. And no USB on the alarm clock, so it's a fairly old alarm clock, but it is an alarm clock. And yes, that is the current time, almost. Uh-oh, it's beeping at me. Doesn't like it. I picked it up. It's mad. You also have a Bible. We have our king-size bed right over here. And then right next to that on this side over here, we are gonna come across another. This one needs to be buckled down. Look at that, it's kind of out there. That's okay. All right. So we have another outlet here, same as the one that was over on the desk, with the USB-C and the USB right here. Nothing down there. And we have a big old AC unit, and I was just now standing next to that thing. I was cold the whole flight over here, and I'm trying to warm myself up. The AC is still on, and this thing is dropping ice cubes out the front here. It is cold. And that is probably about it. So this is my view for this trip. Not much of a view. I got a parking lot view. I am on the 3rd floor, but this is it, you guys. Right next to us is the Hampton Inn and Suites. So like I said, not much of a view. I'll clear that up. Not much of a view. It would be interesting to see what the other side looks like. I should have asked the front desk and see if they could give me like an airport view or something like that. That's okay. We're here for one night, and we're gonna make the best of it. Okay, so with that said, again, this is the Hyatt Place in Atlanta, or if you want to be very specific, Hyatt Place Atlanta North Airport. I believe that's the whole name of the area. So if you like this room tour, please be sure to click on the room tour playlist. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic travel, Disney, room tours, trains, planes, sometimes automobiles channel. We're going to be making a transition here shortly. New things are coming, new adventures, new line of vlogging is going to be coming out soon. So please stay tuned, click that bell for notifications, and come back often because we are posting more and more of these room tours and more adventures are coming your way. All right, with that said, thank you for watching. We appreciate every single one of you. Please be sure and click the thumbs up button. Leave us a positive comment down below. What your favorite part of this hotel is if you stayed here, or if you stayed in the area, maybe there's another hotel that you like even better. All right, we'll see you guys again. Have a pleasant day. Be kind and be safe. Goodbye, everyone.